President Emmerson Mnangagwa has urged ZANU-PF members to strengthen the party's grassroots structures and expand its support base ahead of the next harmonized general elections. Sadabera mashoko buda pangwa ino nyasu kuonekwa kunzi pangwa ine ma elections ari kutaungwa aiwa achinzi ma general elections imuna 2028. Is it a dummy or the Zimbabwean leaders mauda kuprova kuti kudi? Sabita mashoko ari kunyogwa pangwa ine vanhu vachigunun'una vari pangwa ino vakafuta nekutsamwa zvichionekwa kunzi they are going to suffer again for more than 2 years. Remember, subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda munamuda ni kwa mchizi. Addressing delegates at the 22nd ZANU-PF National People's Conference in Mtaro on Friday, Mnangagwa called on the party to prioritize mobilization and inclusivity. Focus must be on guaranteeing the growth of our party membership and the readiness for the harmonized general elections, he said. Responsive strategies and approaches must be advanced to consolidate the visibility and influence of the women, youth, and veteran leagues. The president said political mobilization should not be confined to election seasons, but should instead become part of parties' everyday operations. Let us carry on recruiting and welcoming new members from all walks of life and harness the diverse skills of the membership for the ultimate good of our revolutionary movement, Mnangagwa said. However, his call for election preparedness, yes, raised eyebrows coming just days after ZANU-PF passed a controversial resolution to extend his term of office to 2030, a move that would effectively delay the 2028 elections. Under the current constitution, Zimbabwe is expected to hold its next general elections in 2028 to elect the president, members of parliament and local authorities. But with the ruling party's recent resolution, there is growing uncertainty over whether the polls will proceed as scheduled. Observers say Mnangagwa's remarks may contradict the party's intentions, creating confusion about whether ZANU-PF genuinely plans to contest in 2028 or to amend the constitution and extend its rule. While Mnangagwa publicly emphasizes preparation for elections, critics argue he may be selling the nation a dummy, appearing to promote democratic participation, while the party simultaneously works to push elections further into the future. Mashoko ari kuda pangwa ine vanhu vanyatso kuona kunzi paramba tinenge tikubatiswa pasina. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Enda comment section medu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.